Learning French colors. Hello and welcome to our colorful journey. Today, we're going to learn about basic colors in French. This will not only enhance your vocabulary, but also help you describe objects, places, and feelings more vividly in French. First up is rouge, which means red. Think of a shiny red apple or a classic red rose. Rouge is pronounced like rousse. Next is bleu, meaning blue. Imagine the clear blue sky or the deep blue sea. Bleu is pronounced blue, similar to the English word blue, but softer. Vert stands for green. Think of lush green grass or green leaves. Vert is pronounced vert with a soft ending. Now, let's look at jaune, which means yellow. Picture the bright sun or a field of yellow sunflowers. Jaune sounds like zone with a soft J. Orange is both a color and fruit in French, just like in English. Imagine a vibrant orange fruit. It's pronounced orange with a nasal sound. Next is violet, representing purple. Think of purple grapes or a violet flower. Say it as violet with a gentle ending. Noir means black. Picture a black night sky or a black cat. You pronounce it noir, similar to noir in film noir. Then we have blanc, which is white. Imagine white snow or white clouds. Blanc is pronounced blanc with a nasal N. And finally, gris, meaning gray. Think of gray stones or a gray sky. Gris sounds like gris with a soft S at the end. And there you have it, the basic colors in French. Knowing these colors will add vibrancy to your conversations and help you describe the world around you in French. Keep practicing and exploring.